Night landings are special. As darkness falls, the world outside transforms. The sky becomes a blanket of deep blue or black, dotted with stars. The air is usually calmer at night, promising a smoother approach. But the darkness also brings unique challenges, demanding focus and skill. Every light becomes a signal, guiding us towards the runway. The anticipation builds as we descend. The city lights twinkle below, a reminder of the countless lives we carry. The air crackles with the anticipation of touchdown. Soon, the runway lights will emerge from the darkness, guiding us home. From the cockpit, the view is mesmerizing. The city sprawls beneath us, a tapestry of twinkling lights. Roads become rivers of gold, each car a tiny speck of light. Buildings stand tall, their windows glowing like fireflies. As we get closer to the airport, the runway lights come into view. These beacons cut through the darkness, providing a visual pathway to the ground. White lights line the edges of the runway, while red and white lights mark its center. These lights are our lifeline, guiding us safely to the ground. Landing at night requires precision. With reduced visibility, we rely heavily on instruments. The altimeter tells us our height. The airspeed indicator keeps us at the correct speed. We constantly monitor the navigation instruments, ensuring we're on the correct glide path. But technology is only part of the equation. A pilot's skill and judgment are crucial. We make small adjustments to the controls, feeling the plane respond to our touch. We communicate with air traffic control, receiving clearance for our final approach. Every movement, every decision is critical for a safe landing. The moment of touchdown is exhilarating. The wheels gently kiss the runway, a symphony of sound and vibration. We engage the reverse thrusters, slowing the plane down. As we taxi towards the gate, a sense of satisfaction washes over us. Another successful night landing. Another group of passengers delivered safely to their destination. It's a feeling of accomplishment, a testament to the teamwork and skill required